Okay, now today our topic is in last class what we have done. Can anybody tell me please? Parveen.
Yeah,
In last class what
I
we have
don't
done?
remember exactly.
Sorry?
I don't remember exactly. I'm trying to recollect. I don't remember exactly.
Okay, no issue. Kiran. Kiran. Deepak. 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 Abhishek.
Hello.
Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
What we have done in previous class?
Sorry, sir.
What we have done in previous class?
Please, I didn't remember.
Okay, that's good.
I think I'm not in the last class because before that we worked like in Linux. That we work on like subnetting part also.
Okay. Deepak. Achha, you are not in last class. Okay. Deepak Kashyap. Chali, left. I think we have done global VNet peering. I think
So peering we have done.
not global VNet.
Not global, local.
Okay, local we have done. Okay. So today we have done, I think, local. Global VNet peering. Okay.
I think we have done only local peanut peering.
Okay. No issue. Today I am taking how we will create global VNet peering in different regions. Got it? Or before this, today I am taking DNS. Okay. Today I am taking class of DNS, Azure DNS. Hello, Vara. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Vara. How are you? How are you?
Yeah, fine. What about you?
I am also fine right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
We are
Today.
very scary about the your situation on that day.
Today I am taking Azure DNS lecture. Okay.
Okay.
Deepak.
Jitendra, are we not going to discuss global VNet peering?
No, today I am not taking global VNet peering. I am taking today Azure DNS.
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we will go for this global VNet peering. Okay. Now, Azure DNS. What is DNS? Can anybody tell me what is DNS? DNS is Domain Name Service. Okay. Domain Name Service. It resolve name to IP and IP to name. Okay, this is the work of DNS. Got it? In DNS, we have two type of zone. Two type of zone. Okay. One is forward lookup zone. And second is reverse lookup zone. Okay. This zone will give you name to IP resolution. Name to IP address resolution. Okay, and this zone will give you IP to name, IP address to name resolution. Okay. Now in Azure we have two type of DNS. One is DNS zone. This is for public resolution. Okay, and second one is private DNS zone. This is for private resolution. Means your virtual network. In this VNet, you will create what? Resources like VM, your web apps, your load balancers. Got it? And more. Now, and we will see in this, in this lecture how to configure your custom DNS. Means if you want work with your own DNS, got it? If you want work with your own DNS, wait. Hello Ravindra. Hello Ravindra.
Hello.
How are you Ravindra?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
I am also fine now. Okay.
Yeah.
Today,
Hope you record. Hope you record, right?
yeah, I am
Completely.
recording. And today our topic is Azure DNS.
Okay, okay. No. I'm asking your health condition.
Now I am okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ravindra. Hello Harish.
Hi, Jitner, how are you?
Now I am fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Take care of your health.
Now I am okay. Okay, now
Okay.
I do not have any pain in my stomach and no
Okay.
any fever, no any headache now. Okay.
Yeah.
In
Okay.
morning I have headache,
Yeah,
but
recover.
now I am totally perfect and fit.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
And today our topic
Yeah.
is Azure DNS. Okay.
Nice to see you back.
Okay, Harish.
Okay.
Please
Yeah.
understand
Okay.
with very careful. This is our very interesting topic or very important topic.
Okay.
Okay, Harish. Now, we will see in this lecture how to configure your custom DNS. Means if you want work with your own DNS, own domain, okay? That means you will purchase, Deepak.
Yes, sir, listening now, proper.
Okay. Now today we have Azure DNS. Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm listening all the things. Don't worry.
Okay. Now, if you want work with your own domain, that means you will purchase your domain
Yes.
from Google, GoDaddy and some registrar, GoDaddy or other registrars. वॉल्यूम तुम्हारे यहाँ से आ रही थी पक्का?
सर किस चीज की आवाज?
ढक की सी आवाज आ रही थी यार.
Let me mute.
Okay. Other registrar, okay? other registrar. You will purchase your domain from GoDaddy or other registrar. For example, like jitendra.tk, jitendrashishodia.tk. Okay. Now, Azure DNS, for example, if you create a virtual machine, Azure DNS will give you a default DNS name from Azure DNS. Got it? The name is very lengthy. The name is very lengthy. The name is very lengthy. Spelling it wrong, right or wrong? Lenghty. Lengthy. Okay. Okay. So now you cannot work with that name. I can show you. Okay. So now, so what will be you do? You configure DNS with your own DNS. Okay, and we will see how we will configure private DNS in Azure DNS. Got it? Now, for this activity, what I do? I go to my Azure portal and for this activity, I will create minimum 2 virtual networks. Okay, 2 virtual network and 2 virtual machine, and we will configure web server on both VM and use from those web server from outside. Got it? Now go to your portal. My portal name is what? Portal.azure.com.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now give your credentials. info@project world.online. Password. It is asking for some code. This is 033965. Verify. First, we will create our resource group. Okay. Now add. I am creating my resource group RGPWI. Location is East US. Now tag, I am not using tag here. Review plus create. Validation passed. Now create. Now go to your VNet virtual network. And please create two virtual network here. And my subscription name is Azure subscription 1. Okay, resource group name is RGPWI. And I am here, I am taking my virtual network name is VNet 1 PWI. Got it? And this is in East US. Now next to IP addresses. Delete this one, and I am using here B class IP address. Now 172.16.0.0/16. This is full like CIDR. Okay, and go to your add subnet. Subnet name I am giving here subnet VNet 1 PWI, and subnet range is here 172.16.1.0/24 72. Okay, now add. Go to security. By default, use this security. Okay, review plus create. And create. Meanwhile, create your another VNet. Go to virtual network again. Go to add. My subscription name is Azure subscription 1. Resource group is RGPWI. And my VNet virtual network name is VNet 2 PWI. Okay. I'm creating two VNet here. Now go to IP address. I am using here C class IP address. Please see carefully what I am doing. 192.168.0.0/16. Okay, before I used B class IP address, now I am using C class IP address. Okay, now go to add subnet. Subnet VNet 2 PWI, and IP address is 192.168.1.0/24. Okay, now add. Go to security, choose by default, and review plus create, and is saying running final validation passed. Now create. Your two virtual network is created. Now create your two VM also. I want to create two virtual machines. Now what I do? Go to search bar, and you can select your in this style virtual machine. I am using this search bar. I am typing here only VM. Now go to virtual machines and add. Now add. I will create two virtual machines in different VNets. Okay. I'm using subscription Azure subscription 1 here. Resource group is RGPWI, and virtual machine is VM1 PWI, and region is East US, and my image is Windows Server 2012 R2 data center, and size is this standard B2MS. Okay, it has 2 virtual CPUs and 8 GB memory, and username is Jitendra, and password is India@1234556. India@1234556, and by default RDP is 3389. And go to your disk. Please choose by default. It is premium SSD, and go to networking. Choose here your virtual network. Virtual network, I am choosing VNet1 PWI, and subnet is subnet VNet1 PWI 172.16.1.0/24, and public IP it is creating by default. If you have existing public IP, you can choose from this list. Okay, it is creating by default. I have not created any public IP. And NIC network service security group, it is creating by default, and public inbound rule it is creating by default. Okay, and port we are using here 3389, and go to management. Please off this boot diagnostics and go to advanced. Please choose by default. Go to tags. Please choose by default and review plus create. It is showing you running a final validation, and is saying validation is passed. It is showing that your subscription credits apply. It is charged to us 6 rupees INR per hour, and now create. Meanwhile, create your another VM. It is saying your deployment is underway. Okay, no issue. Virtual network, virtual machine again. Now add. Now choose your resource group, RGPWI, and virtual machine name is VM2 PWI. And I am using here region, same region. Okay, East US. Image I am using here Windows 10 now. Okay, previous I have chosen Windows Server 2012 R2 data center. Now size is same B2MS. I have 2 virtual CPUs here and 8 GB memory, and I am using here admin user. Okay, now password is India@1234556. India@1234556. The port is 3389. Now disk by default we are choosing. Okay, no issue. Networking. Now choose here VNet2 PWI. Okay, and our subnet is 192.168.1.0/24. IP it is creating by default, and it is creating network security group and public inbound ports. Okay, now management. Please off this boot diagnostics and review plus create. I'm not using this advanced. And please create. Validation passed. Now create. Now we have created our resources, and after that we will go to our DNS. Okay, now for DNS I am not creating any hardware. It is using as a pass, product as a service. We are using as a pass, product as a service. Now here we are not using in DNS IAS. IAS means IaaS means infrastructure
Structure.
as a service.
Yes.
In this, we need a hardware like VM. We need a resources, hard resources, okay? And pass. We don't need any hardware. Okay? Pass means product as a service.
In SaaS, sir?
Haji?
In SaaS?
SaaS.
Yeah.
SaaS is a software as a service.
Okay,
Software.
okay. We need any hardware or not?
No. We don't need any hardware on that also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I will tell you what is a SaaS. Okay. Product as a service. For example, your Gmail service, your Google Drive, your like OneDrive, okay, your Office 365. These are product as a service. Okay, we are not using our hardware here. We are using only product here. So in Azure, they are giving us facility like in terms of Azure DNS. They are saying why you are using your hardware. You use our product only. We will take care of this. Got it? Now, after 5 minutes, I will generate a link also, okay? Now, you all understand what's the IaaS and what's the PaaS? Now, go,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead. It is taking some time.
Jitendra, what about the first one, IASA mean? We required a hardware
Yeah, it's required the hardware. Wait,
for ours or it is Azure's hardware?
Azure hardware, not your hardware. On cloud, you cannot use your hardware.
Okay, how it can be possible? Can you tell me one
For example,
of
yes.
IAS?
Yes. For example, I am creating here VM, virtual machine. What is this?
It is
Can you clear in more way? I have created this virtual machine. It's running status.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
I am using here operating system also.
Okay.
This one.
VNet and as well as VNet and all.
And size. We use this hardware. 2 virtual CPU and 8 GB memory.
Okay.
This is the physical hardware in data center.
Okay.
This is
It is a IAS.
it's a IaaS, infrastructure
Yeah.
as a service. Basically, I am creating my infrastructure on Azure data center, on Azure platform.
Example is a VM.
Example is VM, virtual machines,
Okay.
and your virtual network also.
Okay.
Okay?
And VNet and as well as NIC network
Network. Yes, NIC is also a hardware.
Yeah.
Okay, and you are also creating a NSG, network security group.
service. Yes.
That is your firewall in terms of software or in terms of hardware.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Okay. This is
And what about the example of the last one? That is a software as a SaaS. Software as a service.
Abhi, I am not talking about SaaS. Okay. When we will talk about SaaS, then I will tell you each and everything about SaaS.
Okay.
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 Abhi
Give me
now
an example. Can you give me can you give me an example?
for SaaS.
Yes.
Says like your SharePoint,
Okay. Okay.
okay, your
Okay.
like what I say, like your CRMs also,
Okay. Okay.
okay. These
Okay.
are the SaaS,
Example.
software as a
Yes.
service,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
and many examples are there, no issue. And you see here your like your, what's the name of that ERP? I forget the name. When I remember, I will tell you. Okay. Now, I
You
have.
are talking about Salesforce, I think.
Sorry, Salesforce. Yes. Okay, Salesforce as a software service. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Now we have created our virtual machines. We have created our VNet also, and now I am creating Azure DNS. Okay. I show you here. We have two type of DNS here. One is DNS zone and one is private DNS zone. Got it? Now, first we are configure our this DNS zone. Now go to add. Now resource group is RGPWI. Please don't check this, okay? And name. Register a new domain like pwi123.tk. It is giving us 5 to 9 extensions like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, .gq. Okay, and this is totally free for one year. Now check out, and I am using here for 12 months. After that, it will pay. Now continue. Okay, it is saying 0 USD. Total due today 0 USD. Now I'm saying okay. I read these terms and conditions, complete order. It is saying thank you for your order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Your order number is this. If you have any question about this, please raise a support ticket. Okay, and it is saying attention. Some of your domains could not be registered because of a technical error. These domains have been cancelled. Okay, I think if you are using from your area, please check it. Okay, now I have created a domain, this jitendrasishodia.tk. We work on that today. Okay, now it will show you this thing. When you booked and your email, you will receive email from this Freenome. You will see in your account your domain. Got it? Status will be active. Now type free and manage domain. I am clicking here and see here. It is giving the information. Okay. Now go to your Azure portal and give here name Jitendrasishodia.tk. Okay, I have registered this domain on this website. This is free of cost. Now go to your portal and go to next tags. I am not giving here tag, any tag here. Now review plus create. Now validation passed. Now create. And I am saying again, this DNS zone, this is for public resolution only. Okay. Now, this is saying your deployment is completed. Okay. Go to resources. Go to resource. This is our DNS zone. Okay. This is our DNS zone. Now, what activity I want? I want this activity where we will configure web server on both machine. Okay. Now I will see you more things here. I am not adding any report right now here. I am going to our virtual machine. I will configure a small web server in our virtual machine. Go to virtual machines and go to your first VM1 PWI virtual machine. Copy this public address. Open your notepad. And paste it here and close it. Oh, sorry, minimize it and go to connect and go to RDP and go to download RDP file. Click on that VM1 PWI RDP file. This is RDP file and connect it and give here your credentials. My username is Jitendra and password is India@1234556. Okay, please see and carefully this concept and please fit in your mind. Now yes, if you have any type of problem, please stop me. Now we are entering in our server. This is our Windows 2012 R2 data center server. Without this concept, you cannot do anything on like on Azure, Microsoft Azure. Like we have DNS in on-premises also. Okay, when you configure your Active Directory, you need DNS. Without DNS, you cannot do install your Active Directory. Got it? And you cannot do any resolution, name resolutions. Now go to your server manager and go to your add rules and features for installing a web server. Now go to next. Go to your role based on feature based installation. Go to next. This is your server name and this is your server's IP address. This is your operating system. Now next. Go to your IIS. Click on that. Add features. Now go to next. Now go to again next. Now go to again next. Now go to again next. And install it. Meanwhile, go to your second VM. Now virtual machines. Go to your second VM. Please copy the public IP address of your second machine. Go to your notepad and copy it. VM2 PWI. Paste here and go to connect, go to RDP and go to your download RDP file. Click on that file and go to connect and give the credential here. I have given username like admin user, and password is India @1234556. Now okay. Now yes. This is our Windows 10 operating system. Okay. Today I will configure web server on this Windows 10 operating system. Now go to our Windows 2012 server. It is saying yes, feature installation okay. Now close and go to your local server. Please off this IE enhanced security configuration. Off this user and administrator both. Now okay, close it and check that the IIS server is working or not. Go to your IE Explorer. Do not use recommended settings, then okay. And type here local address, local host, or your private IP. Okay, or you can give here your private IP also. I know my private IP. What I will give the command ipconfig /enter. My private IP is 172.16.1.4. You can check it here also, 172.16.1.4. Then enter. Now it is opening same. Okay. Now check it from public IP address also. This is my public IP address. Now this is open or not? Can anybody tell me? This will open or not? From public IP. And paste here and enter. Can anybody tell me this will open or not? No, this is not opening right now. Okay, why? Because on NSC, on network security group, I have not opened HTTP port. Okay, for this activity, I will open my AT port on NSC. Got it? Go to our portal, our Azure portal, and go to virtual machines, and go to VM1 PWI, and go to networking here, and this is our NSG area, and please add inbound port rule. Click on that. Add inbound security rule. I am using source any, I am using source port range any, star means any, destination any, and destination port is 80. Okay, protocol any, and action allow, priority 310, and my name is port 80, and add. Please understand the concept. Now, after some time, it will open. I don't remember this IP address. Okay, I don't remember this IP address. Deepak, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Now, what I do? I don't remember this public IP. Vara.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, what I do now? I don't remember. You tell me, for example.
Already you have note down in the notepad.
No, I have already note down, but I forget this IP address. I cross it without save. Okay. Now what I do? I will
verify in VM and get the public IP.
Yes. Basically, I won't say like I don't remember these numbers. Okay.
Okay.
I remember only like alphabets. Say for example, www.google.com, www.microsoft.com, www.vj.com. Okay. I remember these things. But if you give me the IP addresses of Google, like 128.169.1.100, can you remember, or I remember always?
No, we don't remember.
As
We are unable to remember.
a human, we remember only alphabets.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I do? First, we check this.
Name servers.
Yes.
Whatever.
Now, first we check this. This is opening or not. Okay. Now this is working fine from outside and inside. Okay. Now, I want to open this website from a name. Understand?
Yes.
Now, I want to open this website from a name, not from IP address. Got it? Now what I do? What's the service? What I use a service that give me a name. Service name
in
is,
a website you have the name servers NS1 and NS2.
Yes, the service is DNS, domain name service. Okay. And for this activity, I need a domain. Okay. Who will provide me domain? Who will provide domain?
Google or anything.
A domain registrar. Domain registrar who? Like GoDaddy and many more. Okay. You will purchase a domain from there. Okay. Now I have domain from like this site, free nom. Okay, because this is free domain. That's why I have booked this domain like Jitendra Shishodia.tk from that site. This is free for 1 year. Okay, now I am using this name. Now, go to your portal. Who is that? Now, go to your portal and I will see you another thing also. And go to your DNS zone. Sorry, go to your first virtual machine. I will show you one more thing. Go to your virtual machine and go to your this VM1 PWI and see here. If you don't have any DNS name, any domain name, Go to your DNS name here. Configure. Click on configure. And Microsoft Azure will provide you a DNS name label. Okay. Now I am giving here web server, web VM1 PWI. It is saying yes, this name is available. I am saying yes. Okay, I am with okay this. Okay. Now save it. Okay. Now go to overview and check it here. Where this one. DNS name now appear. Now copy it and paste it here. Now you can not use your IP address. You can use a name. This name provided by Azure DNS. Okay. Web v1 pwi.eastus.cloud app.azure.com. This name is very lengthy. Can you remember always this name? No. Okay. Now, the second way is go to your DNS zones and configure it. Now see, I have configured this one. Now click on that. Now see here. You have name servers here. Name server 1, name server 2, name server 3, name server 4. These 4 name server you will configure, you will write in your this area, this like your domain, custom domain area. Got it? Go to your free nom DNS and configure it here. Now edit name servers. You can use default name server, free nom servers, and you can use custom servers. I am click on this. Okay. Now I am click on this, use custom name servers. I want to use my Azure name server here. Basically, if somebody use my www.jitendra.shishodia.tk, it will redirect on my name servers. What is my name servers? My name servers has Azure configurations, Azure DNS configurations. Okay. Now it will redirect to my Azure DNS. Got it? Now use custom name servers and please give the name here. Please write name here, name server's name here. Go to your Azure portal. These 4 name servers name you can write in your custom domain area. Okay. First name is what? Go to your portal and check the first name. Name server 1. The name is ns1-06.azure-dns.com. Please write here. What is the name? ns1-06.azure-dns.com. Now, second name server name is ns2-06.azure-dns.net. Got it? Now, name server 3. Name server 3 name is ns3
3.
-06
Yes, sir.
-azure-dns.org. Got it? Now, name server 4 name is ns4-06.azure-dns.info. Please check on your Azure portal. ns1-06.azure-dns.com. Second name server is ns2-06.azure-dns.net. Name server 3 is ns3-06.azure-dns.org. Name server 4 name is ns4-06.azure-dns.info. Got it? Now I go to my this free nome custom domain area. Now change name servers. Click on that. It is saying change is saved successfully. Okay. After 4 hours, it will propagate all on the global. Okay, globally. After that, it is able to resolve your names globally. After 4 hours. Okay. And it will take maximum 48 hours. Minimum 4 hours, maximum 48 hours. Okay. Now, this is our NS name area, name server area. Okay. And this is your NS, I told you already. And this is your SOA, start of authority. Okay. The name is this, refresh after 3600, retry 300, expire in this and this. Now, I want to add record set. Record set means I want open this site. I want open this site as a www.jitendrashishodia.tk. Got it? Now, okay. Can it is opening? No. It is saying this site cannot be reached. Now, what I do? Go to your Azure portal, go to your DNS zones, and please add record set. Go to your record set. See here. Please give the name of your virtual machine name. Go to your CMD command and give the command here, host name. The name is VM1PWI. Please give this name here, VM1PWI. Got it? And I have record types here. I have around 10 record types here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9. Okay. A4, the host name. Map to IP address. And triple A4, this is the IPv6. Okay. Now I am using a record here. TTL is 1 and I am using here seconds. In second it will refresh. Okay. Now IP address of public IP address, I am using here public IP address because this is my public area, public DNS. My virtual machine public IP address is this one. Now copy this and paste here, and you can write also here. Okay. Now, okay. Now, I have do entry of my virtual machine for a web server. I have given here my public IP address also. Now check it. It is opening or not. Can it open? It will open. Wait for 2 minutes. Can it is open? Hello. Now, can it is open? No, it will not open. Now, what I do? Deepak. Deepak.
Listening, sir.
Now, what I do? I want to open this web server. This web server. This is my web server. Now I want to open my this web server as this name, from this name. Now what I do? I have entry my this web server as a public DNS server in Azure DNS. Now what I do?
Sir, no idea, sir.
Okay. Basically, in the morning is at 6 o'clock. I am taking a training in Canada. Okay. And he won't configure his Azure DNS, new Azure DNS in his company. He has around, in a one VNet, he has around 1,000 VM machines and many type of load balancer also. And they have different type of firewall also, inner firewall and outer firewall. And I have given the solution of this. Okay.
We have to disable our firewall, sir, for this.
No.
Okay.
Now, again go to your record set. Okay. Now, again go to your record set and type here www. I want to use www here. Got it? I want to use www here. This one. Now, write here www and use here your CNAME, canonical name. This type of record. Got it? Please remember all these. And please check, change to seconds. And type here alias, go to alias, type here what's the name of our virtual machine? VM1 PWI dot Jitendra Shishodia dot TK and save it. Spelling is okay. Now okay. Now I have two records here. Got it? Now give me 1 minute. After 1 minute you will see, and you can I will change here. I want change here my web server content. Okay. Now go to your C drive, go to your inetpub, go to your www root and make it a file, new file here, text document, and give the name here index. Please first rename it 1 and give it, open it and write here welcome to Project World India. Got it? Deepak? Now save as, remember this, save as index.html and save type here all files. Please remember this again. .html. Now save it and cross it also, and now type here www.jitendra.tk. Okay, now enter. What is coming? Deepak, you can also open your area in your area. Deepak,
Yes, sir.
this is opening. This is opening.
Yes, sir. This is opening, sir.
Good. Now today we have seen a public DNS on Azure portal. Got it? Parveen,
Yeah, got it.
Yes, yes.
understand?
Sir. Sir.
Yes, Deepak.
Hello.
हाँ दीपक.
हेलो
हाँ दीपक बोलो.
सर, क्या आज वीडियो शेयर कर सकते हैं इसका सर?
हाँ क्यों नहीं.
पॉसिबल है?
हाँ क्यों नहीं, अभी मैं बनाता हूँ, रुक जाओ. और we can create our second web server also. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Give me 5 minutes only.
Okay, sir.
Ravindra Babu. Yeah, Abhishek. Hello, Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Understand what we are doing? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Abhishek, understand what we are doing?
I understand, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Ravindra. Vara. No. Yeah, Vara.
Yeah, yeah.
Understand?
Yeah, understand.
Okay.
Already got it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, Ravindra. Yeah, Vara, you have knowledge of this previously?
Not, no, I don't have an idea.
Okay.
But some places,
Some?
like we have remove the DNS and all this, update the DNS and all these things.
Okay.
But I am not Azure. I am not.
Okay, now you understand? Now you will do yourself?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Will do myself.
Now we are creating another web server on Windows 10. Okay. Now go to your control panel. This is my virtual machine 2, and this is operating system Windows 10. Okay. Now go to your programs and go to your program and features, and here go to your turn Windows features on or off. Okay, now click on that. It is saying please wait, and go to your IIS. This is Internet Information Services. Click on that and OK. It is searching for required files. Now it is saying apply changes. Okay, that's good. Now close it, and go to your C drive. Go to your C drive and go to here inetpub. Please, after 5 minutes again we will connect, and go to your www root. And I am not using this one. I am using our own web server. Now go to your text document and click on that, and please type here welcome to all in my YouTube channel. Project World India Cloud People. Okay. Now go to file, save as, and save type all files, and give the name here index. Please rename first this IIS start, rename, and this is PNG file, not PNG file. Rename this HTML file 1, then OK, and open it again. Yes, and save as, and type here index.html, and go to all files and save it. Okay, now cross it, and please first check here this is working or not. Go type here localhost, click on that, and working. Now it is working. Okay, now go to your it will not open from outside. Go to Cisco web meeting. You are now the host of this meeting. Okay, now go to your virtual machine again, sorry, your portal again, and type here virtual machine. And you go to your VM2 PWI. Now I am opening inbound port. Basically today's internet very slow. Basically CBSE result is announced today, and most people is using internet now. Now go to networking and go to add inbound port rules, and please make it 80 port and add. And this is the public IP of this virtual machine. Go to my virtual machine, go to IE, and click and paste my public IP here and enter. And see it is working or not. Now it is working. Okay. Now I want open this. Now I want open this second web server. Name is like www.1.jitendra Shishodia.tk. Got it? I want to use this name for second web server. Now go to your portal again. Now I want to open this website from a name. I want this website open. Yes, now I want to open this second web server. Name is www.1.jitendra.tk. Okay. Now again go to your where DNS zone. Okay, now open it and please go to your record set and add name here of your second web server. The second web server name is, go to your CMD and check it here, host name, give host name, and it is saying VM2 PWI. Okay, now I am giving here VM2 PWI and record type is A, and I am using here IP address is this one 13.92.24.156 and paste it here, and you can write also here, and I am changing TTL unit to seconds and OK. Can it is opening from this www.1 right now? No, this is saying this site cannot be reached because this is not finding this one, www1. Okay. Now go to your Azure DNS zone and please go to your record set again and give the name here www1 and type here CNAME and change this TTL unit to seconds, hours to seconds, and go to alias name and give here your like VM2.pwi.jitendra shishodia.tk. Now okay.
You are not sharing your screen, Jitendra.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, now it's visible. Hello.
can see your screen now.
Yeah. Process is same. Okay. I have add this machine. I have add this machine. Okay. I have add this machine record set from record set, and I have given this name www.cname like previous system. Okay. Now go to your web browser and check it. It is opening or not. First, check your go to your portal and check your virtual machine that I have open port 80 or not. Okay. Please go to networking and check it here. Yes, I have opened this port. Okay, no issue. After some time, it will work. Now I am checking from this name first, VM2 PWI. Then okay. Now it is opening. It will take some time. If this is opening from this name, it will open from www.1 also. It will take some time. Okay. It's not opening. Please check in your Azure DNS. Go to your DNS zone, DNS zones, and this is my DNS name jitendra.tk, and check it here. www, the VM2 name is okay. VM2 PWI name is okay. Please check typing mistakes. Jitendra Shishodia.tk, it is okay. VM2 PWI, it is okay. And it is take some time, no issue. Deepak, please check at your end also. Now it is working, okay? Deepak, it is working. From your end, please check it. Now, I am ending this session right now. Parveen. Parveen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am ending this session.
I am ending this session today right now.
Okay, yeah.
Basically-
Could you please share us the
Yes.
recording session.
Yes.
Basically,
Yes.
today we have
Basically,
complete
today we
public
have complete
zone, public DNS zone. Okay. In next class on Hell on Wednesday,
on Wednesday,
and we will see
and we will see
the private DNS zone.
the private DNS zone.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.